Welcome, I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my journey starting trading and the importance of having a trading plan. Now, in the beginning, my first year, I did not have a trading plan. I traded based off signals of people. I traded based on my own just buy and sell. Didn't understand what I was doing as any beginner trader. You hear about this market and you just jump right into it without knowledge, without information, the proper information. It's only after I've done several courses and found myself a mentor who I can learn from, that's when I started to see the importance of having a trading plan and having a system, to follow a system that you can follow every day. When you have a systematic approach to trading, your chances to be successful is higher. The probability of you becoming a successful trader is higher because now you are have a plan that you can actually focus on. And when you follow your plan, you always hear these um, successful traders talk about, when you have a trading plan and you stick to your trading plan, you will become a profitable trader. So what I normally do, I will follow people that who are where I want to be, and I follow these steps. So in this video, I'm going to take you through my trading plan process, how I started the trading plan, how does a trading plan look like for me, what I think needs to be inside of a trading plan, step by step process. I will go through it, and at the end of this video, my goal is that use this information also to help you in your journey. Let me know, does it help you? Will it help you? Because like I said, this channel is actually just for me, where I say my trading journal and trading journey, and I also share my process of becoming a profitable trader. And one of it is that you need to have a trading plan. Without further ado, let's go over to the video.
Okay, so I am going to take you through the process of what I think that you should have in your trading plan and what will help you in your trading journey is if you have a solid trading plan. A trading plan is your plan of action, You in any business that you run, any business that operates, whether it is McDonald's, whether it is a accounting firm, a law firm, whether it is your Toyota, your Mercedes Benz, they need a business plan, right? To run their business on. They need to understand what business they are in. They need to understand the customer, they need to understand the supplier, when the supplier will deliver, all of those things. But you can bring it to trading and you need a trading plan. You cannot trade without a plan, because when you trade out without a plan, you end up trading pairs that you are not even good at. Trading pairs, currency pairs that you have never studied, that you have never back tested. So that is one of the things that you also include within a trading plan. What currency pairs or indices are you going to trade? So to start with to create a trading plan, I'm gonna take you through the step-by-step process of creating a trading plan. So my goal is with this video, after you've watched this video, you will know exactly how to create a trading plan from scratch, and not just any trading plan, a trading plan that will assist you into becoming a profitable trader. Now, I see a lot of people, um, especially beginners, when they come to the market, you have the mindset of you're going to get rich quick, and that is a wrong mindset, because trading does take time. You need to develop as a trader. You need to learn certain skills before you become successful and consistent profitable. Yes, you will make here and there money, but if your goal is to be profitable, a profitable trader, then continue watching this video. Right. So first, the very first topic I'm going to talk about where you need to start at the very top of your trading plan is to outline what is your motivation. Why are you trading? What motivates you? I know you want to make money. That's most of us want to make money, but you need to be more specific. Is it you want to make money that will supplement your income, meaning your current, you have a job and you want to quit your 9 to 5 job, you want to go full time into trading. If that is your why, so why do you want to quit your 9 to 5 job? Are you unhappy in your job? You think that they are not paying you what you are worth? Or is it just not something that you enjoy doing, or you want to venture into something else or you want trading to fund your passion? You maybe have a passion of dance or creative, something creative, or you want to collect things like, and you understand that trading forex will help you get to that goal. So if that is you, put that into your first why. What is my motivation? Here you say, I want to trade because I want to quit my 9 to 5 job, like in my case. Or I want to trade because I want to start my own business. Or I see trading as a vehicle of helping me to invest in other help me to invest in other assets, buy assets or other businesses. So be very specific and you don't have to write an essay. It's just 5 to 6 lines of what is your motivation with your trading, because you need to know why you are trading. Then a second step in your trading plan is you need to decide how much time you can commit to trading. Now, many of us, all of us have different circumstances. You might be a full-time employee, or you might be a student, and there's certain times that you have to commit. So, for instance, for myself, I work 8 hours a day, so I cannot trade London or New York session because that's the time when I am at home, at work, sorry. So you need to decide how much time can you commit to trading. For myself, I commit like 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours to trading per day, but that is not like consequent. Like it's not 4 hours like I'm sitting in front of the PC for hours. No, I would trade a London session because that's when during my tea time or that's during the times that I have available, and then maybe I'll look at the market after 5, that is 7 p.m. at night, our in South African time. And that also depends on which country you are, because you need to understand the time zones as well. When you're trading the New York session, if you are in South Africa, New York session opens at 3:30 in South Africa. That is in the afternoon. That time we are at work. We normally work until 4:30. So London session is in the mornings for us. So, and that is for me. I prefer the morning sessions because then I'm still fresh. Then I plan my trade just before 10, and then when I get into trading, into my trades, I just close after 11. I don't trade longer than 11 o'clock. Because my trading style is I'm a scalper. So also in on the second top point, you going after you've decided how much time you're going to commit to trading per day. In this section you can also say I'm only going to trade one from Monday to Thursday, or I'm going to trade Monday to Friday excluding Wednesdays. That's my trading plan. Also, I don't trade on a Friday. I trade from Monday to Thursday. I used to not trade on a Monday, but it depended on the pair that I was trading and focused on. Also, I changed my idea because I tested um, different pairs with my strategy, and I discovered after like a whole 2 years of testing that this is working for me. I only trade this one pair, and I trade the London session. So in my trading plan, I say I will trade the London session, and I will trade between 10 and 11 in the morning, and then 7 to 9 in the evening, from Mondays to Thursdays. That is under section 2 of how to create your trading plan. Now we're going to move on in your trading plan. Okay, now define your goals. Under this section, we're going to define your goals. What does that look like? Your goal might be, I want to make $100 per day. So you put that into your trading plan. You say, I'm aiming for $100 per day, or I'm aiming for $200 per day. You need to understand yourself. And if you don't know what your target is yet or what to base it off, just use your discretion. Like, if you have only 6 months of experience in the trading industry, then you should not have a target of $1,000 per day. Like for myself, I'm almost 3 years into this trading. So I still have a target of 200 to 100 to $200 per day. But that is on my one account, and that is only with the one pair. I do trade Nasdaq as well. But for Nasdaq, I will have a different trading plan. Now I would suggest that you have a trading plan. You can have one trading plan, but in my case, I only trade two pairs, which is GBP USD and then Nasdaq. But Nasdaq, I have a different strategy and I also have a different time zone. So that's why I have two trading plans. But this trading plan for this outline is based on my GBP USD trading plan. So also define your goals. You should say, I am trading this account to grow this account. Remember also, it's very hard to take a $200 account to a $1,000 account. It is very hard it is extremely difficult. Don't let these people fool you with their courses and with saying that you can take $100 to $1,000. It is extremely hard, and it requires 3, 4, 5 years of trading experience, education, before you can get to that level. If you know your financial goal is to make consistent profits, like for myself, I want to make withdrawals of $400 per week. In our currency, that is almost like 8,000 Rand. If I want that for myself per week, I'm going to set realistic goals for myself and aim, because also I keep in mind what my trading account size is. You cannot expect to make $1,000 if you only have $300 to trade with. And that's the reality of many beginner traders. You come into this market, you don't have a lot of money. But if it comes to that point where you are maybe funded and you have a lot of money to trade with, then you can have like a pop target maybe. Another goal that you can put in here is have a pop target. Say for instance, like I have a 20 pop target. 20 pop target per day. That is 100 pops per week. Once you have made your achieve your pop target, you are okay with your money, you have reached your goal. So do put it into your trading plan, and that will guide you when you are trading. Also say what is the reason for trading. Are you this account that you're trading, what is the goal with your trading account? Is it to grow a small account, or is it to focus on stacking up? Meaning you building this account, you want to build this account in 6 months. So you're not gonna withdraw, you just stack up, all the money you make, you keep it there and you stack up until you make enough money to basically fund a bigger account. Now my goal with my trading account currently is, I'm aware that it is small, so I do not try to flip. That's not my focus. In my trading plan, I would say I am going to build this account up until I have a big enough account where I can risk according to um according to my skill set. Because at the moment I have a small trading account, and when you are trading with a smaller trading account, it is difficult to reach higher goals that you have for yourself. So higher money goals. So my focus right now is to get myself to a bigger trading account so I can trade with more money and you have more cushion to fall back on. But I will cover that in the next video. I will actually talk about the pros and cons of trading with a small account. Right. The next section in your trading plan is you need to choose a risk and reward ratio. Now you need to say, I only use a risk to reward ratio of 1:3 or 1:2. My personal risk to reward ratio is 1:3, and I only focus on setups that will give me a 1:3 ratio. Why? It prevents me from losing or taking trades that not high probability trades. Trades that is low probability will normally end up with big losses. So you need to make sure you have the a decent stop loss as well, because you don't want to lose more than what you win. You want to cut your losses as quick as possible. So only look at trade setups within your risk to reward ratio. That put in your risk to reward ratio in your trading plan and stick to that plan. Don't deviate from what you have put into your trading plan, because once you do that, you are going to end up um ending up in a loss and in the red. You will not see progress on your trading account, right? So also include in your trading plan your risk and to reward ratio. After this outline, I'm going to show you also how my trading plan looks like with all these sections and step by step. Now, this is very important to outline in your trading plan. Remember, guys, the reason why we are trading is to make money. But if you don't manage your money properly, you are going to lose in this game. Trading, the technicals is not the most difficult part in trading, and it's not the 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 biggest reason why many traders are failing. Because to be honest, like not a lot of traders are profitable. So why is that? It's because they do not manage their money properly. They do not manage the risk properly. They over leverage their account. Um, we revenge trade. We over trade. I want to say I want to include myself, because even on my journey while I'm learning, I've seen this happening to myself as well. Like once I fund my account with let's a little bit more money, that's when I become cocky. I break my trading rules. I deviate from my trading plan, and I take setups that I'm not supposed to take. So it is important also to be realistic in your trading plan and say, how big is my account? My account is $500. I cannot expect to make $1,000 on a day. I cannot expect to let one trade must give me $500. No, I must be realistic and determine how much money am I willing to lose on each trade. Am I going to work on a percentage basis? Am I going to use 1% risk, or am I going to use, like, say, for instance, a dollar value? So I am only willing to risk $5 per trade, right? Remember also, you cannot trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, because you will never detach from that. You will never detach from the money in your account, and it will be extremely difficult for you to be successful in trading, because now you're in a live trade and you see the candles is pulling back. But it's not the reversal, it's just a pullback. And now, because you are so focused on the money and you are so attached to what the money, you close the trade, a trade that went 2 3 pops into retracement, and then it shot up straight to your TP, and then you want to jump in again after you closed the trade in the red. And that is not ideal. That is gambling. That is not following a trading plan. That is not becoming a professional trader. So also assess your money status. How does my bank account look like? What is my intention with my trading? I know if I only have $500 in my trading account, I cannot expect to hit $1,000, $5,000, $300. I need to stay in my own lane and trade a small account by practicing consistency, right? So what my goal also in my trading plan is to practice consistency. My goal is not to flip a 500 to a 10,000. my goal is to practice my consistency, to prove to myself that I'm a profitable trader and I can stick to a trading plan. I can be disciplined to stick to my rules and not to deviate from my trading plan, right? Next up is in your trading plan, you need to have your execution strategy. Now, in my course, I go through the execution strategy of my trades. You need to have, I always tell people or myself even, what is the confirmations to enter a trade? You need to outline that into your trading plan. Say for instance, I wait for a break of a candle. You put that into your trading plan. This is my execution strategy. First, I will wait for a break of a candle, a break of structure, sorry. Then I will determine, or first I determine the trend. What is the direction of the trend? Then is it the uptrend, a downtrend? Is the market currently consolidating? Then I wait for my second confirmation. Is there a break of a structure? Alright? Then because I trade supply and demand, I use supply and demand in my entry strategy. I need to draw a zone, whether it is a demand zone or a supply zone. Once I see that there's a rejection of my supply zone or demand zone with wicks on the candles, wicks, that's indicates another confirmation for me to get into a trade. Also, in your execution strategy, you should include that I will not trade news. If you are someone who do trade news, I will trade news. Put in there, like for myself, I will only enter before X, Y, and Z happens. This is what this is how your execution strategy need to look like in your trading plan. So remember, this is all in your trading plan, and this plan you will paste up in your desk on your desk or somewhere, and this is a plan that you will stick with and follow religiously. You will follow this plan religiously. It will become like boring at the end of it because you're going to do the same thing over and over. But that is how you're going to be consistently profitable. If you can become consistent in your trade, in following a trading plan, you will become consistent in your results. So also, you can include a set rules for you to enter, say, break of structure, retest of your zone, a Fibonacci key level. I don't use Fibonacci anymore. But if that is something that you do use in your trading strategy, then put it under your rules. This is what I look at this. I will only look for buy setups when it is a bullish trend, right? You can put all those kind of rules in. You should actually put it into your trading plan under execution strategy. Okay, now we're gonna move on to okay, yeah. Basically, this is the end of it. This is what a trading plan looks like. This is all of it, what it consists of, and then um you can sign your trading plan. You can say I am a profitable trader. I believe in affirmation, so I would just put in I am a profitable trader signed by Marilee and put your signature on your trading. It's your plan and you need to trade your plan. This is the beginning of a successful trading career, guys. All these people that you see, Swaggy C, Q Banks, Mr. Festex, all these great mentors that I've also learned from, they have trading plans and they stick to they're disciplined by following the trading plan. If like Doyle Exchange, if he does not trade on a Wednesday is not a trading day. Even if a setup presents itself, he does not trade, and that's myself as well. So that helped me a lot in my trading and improving my results. Yes, I'm not a like where I really want to be in my trading, but I'm documenting my journey to see the progress. And also in this, maybe I might like inspire someone else, and also maybe you suffering with the same things that I do. And I thought, let me share this because it will help you. Like if you have a trading plan, you will become profitable. Now remember, a trading plan is different to a trading strategy. A trading strategy is all the rules. It defines, it describes how you enter, how you exit, what lot size you're using, that is your like what a trading strategy includes everything of your strategy of how you take your setups, what kind of setups, what does a high probability setup looks like for you, what is the market structure, all the technical analysis things is within a trading strategy. But a trading plan is different to it because a trading plan in just outline all the rules, all the things that I've just included in or spoke about now. That is the trading plan, right? So I hope you enjoyed this information or find benefit from this information, and it was good sharing with you. Thank you.